fix GeForce Now error 0xc0f1103f in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Check GeForce Now server status. Method 2. Run the app as an administrator. Running the application as an administrator will ensure that it does not crash due to a lack of permissions. Method 3. Restart NVIDIA services. Click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down the list of services and search for any services related to NVIDIA. Right-click on each NVIDIA-related service, one at a time. Select Restart from the context menu. Method 4. Disable VPN or proxy server.